Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the symbol of division. In this video, we will still use concrete materials to increase our understanding about the division process. The division symbol is introduced to explain how it fits in with the division operation, and that's the division symbol there. We will continue to reinforce the important link between multiplication and division. Example 1. 8 apples are shared equally between Tom, Susie, Bill and Mary. How many apples do they each receive? The solution: any problem that involves sharing uses the division sign. Hence, the calculation involved for this problem is 8 divided by 4. So basically we have 8 apples and we have to share them equally between 4 people. So if we cross off that apple and put it there, cross off this one and put it there, this one we place here, and this one we place there. So far each person has 1 apple. Let's continue. Cross off that apple, put it there, cross off this one, put it there, this one we place here, and this one we place there. So we have Tom, Susie, Bill and Mary, 2, 2, 2, 2. They each receive 2 apples, so they have been equally shared. It follows from the previous sum that 4 times 2 equals 8, and the meaning is if you have 4 children and each child gets 2 apples, there are 8 apples in total. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The meaning is if you have 8 apples which are shared between 4 children, each child gets 2 apples. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and the meaning is if there are 8 apples and each child receives 2 apples, there must be 4 children. Example 2. There are 12 marbles on the table. These marbles are divided into groups of 3. How many groups are there? The solution: writing the problem in symbol form, we have the following. The number of groups is 12 divided by 3. The number of marbles is 12. The number in each group is 3. So knowing that the number in each group is 3, all we do is this. We just put 3 marbles in each group, and we'll see how many groups we have. So far we have 2 groups, 3 groups, and here's our 4th group. We can see that we have 4 groups. It follows from the previous sum that 4 by 3 equals 12. And here is the meaning. If you have 4 groups of marbles and each group has 3 marbles in it, the total is 12 marbles. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. This is the meaning. If you have 12 marbles which are divided into 4 groups, each group has 3 marbles. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. If there are 12 marbles with 3 marbles in each group, there must be 4 groups. Example 3. There are 16 pens on the table. These pens are divided into groups of 8. How many groups are there? Writing the problem in symbol form, we have the following. The number of groups is 16 divided by 8. So we know that each group has 8 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's one group of 8. Let's see if we can make up another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can. So here is the next group. We can see that we have two groups. So in this video, we have seen the link between sharing, and we've looked at groups and how groups and sharing are linked. We've also looked at multiplication, and we've seen how that is related to division.